Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to do a very calm makeup look for you guys with a very bold lip. I have a thing for red lipsticks. My favorite color is red. I just think that a nice red lip with a very calm eye look is amazing. This eye look actually came out a little different than I expected it to be. I really just wanted it to be a lot of pinks and browns, but I actually incorporated some purple and blue on the lower lash line, which I don't think you can really see that well, but that's besides the point. Without any further ado, let's just get straight into this video. Okay guys, I have primed my eyelids off of camera using my Tarte Shape Tape in shade medium, and I set it with my Makeup Revolution setting powder, and I even did my brows off of camera using the Precisely MyBrow pencil by Benefit. Today I'm going for a very natural look, and I'm going to do a very bright lip, so just bear with me. I'm going to take my Lorac Los Angeles palette, and I'm gonna go in with this color Bonfire right here. Switching to my Take Me Back to Brazil palette by BH Cosmetics, I'm going to go in with the second pink shade right here, and I'm going to dust that over my lid with the same brush. I'm going to go even further down in the palette and take the third pink color going down. Okay, next I'm going to go into my Jaclyn Hill palette by Morphe. I'm going to start with this brown up here. Okay, I'm going to go in with my Morphe R37 brush and with that color. Okay, going back in with my Jaclyn Hill palette, I'm going to take this shade right here, taking my Morphe E17 brush to apply. Okay, so I'm kind of done with the eyes. I really just wanted something really subtle and not to take away from the bold lip I'm going to do. I am going to go back in with that pink shade from the Take Me Back to Brazil palette, and I'm going to go back in with that BH Cosmetics brush number 7 for it. Okay, before I finish off my bottom lash line, I'm just going to go ahead and finish the rest of my face. I have already primed my face using one of my e.l.f. primers. It will be linked down below, so now I'm just going to go into my BareMinerals BarePro foundation. It's in Pecan 18. Okay, to conceal and brighten, I'm going to go in with my Tarte Shape Tape in shade medium. Okay, I'm going to go underneath my eyes, on the side of my nose. I'm going to put a little on my forehead, down the bridge of my nose. Okay, I'm going to take my Morphe M438 brush, and I'm going to use that to set my under eyes and the oily parts of my face. Okay, so while the powder bakes underneath my eyes, I'm going to take my BareMinerals BareSkin in shade Dark Deep to contour. Going in with my damp beauty blender, I'm just going to blend that all out. Okay, I'm going to take that same Morphe M438 brush, and I'm going to wipe away the powder that I set underneath my eyes. Taking a big fluffy brush, I'm just going to use this to set the rest of my face with some powder. It is the Morphe E41 brush. Okay, I'm just going to go in with my ColourPop pressed powder face and warm up the face with my BH Cosmetics brush number 1. I don't know the shade for this, so I'm just going to link it down below. Okay, I'm going to take my BH Cosmetics Classic Blush 10 Color Blush Palette, and I'm going to dip into this really pink right here, and I'm going to do that using my Morphe R2 brush. Okay, I'm going to move on to my bottom lash line now. I'm going to use that same pink that I did for the top lash, but I'm going to go straight into the darker pink, and I'm going to go straight into that color on my bottom lip. I feel like I just repeated myself a lot.
Okay guys, I mixed the pink and a blue to make a purple color because my brush, the M506, actually had a hint of blue from my last look, so that's why it's purple and not just pink.
I'm going to take this Essence Kajal pencil in 04 White and put that in my waterline, bottom waterline. I'm going to take my Maybelline Colossal Big Shot Mascara to combine my real and the false lashes. For my bottom lashes, I'm going to use the Maybelline Lash Sensational Curvitude Mascara. To highlight, I'm going to go into my Carli Bybel Deluxe Edition palette. To highlight my brow bone, I'm going to go in with this pink shade down here. Okay, going down the bridge of my nose, I'm going to go down with that gold barred highlight. To highlight my cheekbones and my cupid's bow, I'm going to go in with this BH Cosmetics brush number 4. Same gold barred highlights. Okay guys, before I finish off with the lips, I'm actually going to take my MAC Fix Plus right now and spritz my face so everything will really melt together. Okay guys, so I really want to go in with this color right here. It is the Alexis Ren X ColourPop Ultra Matte Lip. It's called Little Weapon. I misplaced my red lip liner, so I'm really just going to go in with this lip liner from MAC. It's called Hover. Okay, now going in with the lipstick. Okay guys, the lips are on. I have to say that this is one of my favorite red lipsticks, only because I don't know what it is. It has to be the formula, the color, I'm not sure. I'm usually not the biggest fan of an ultra matte lipstick. I feel like it dries out the lips way too much and I usually have to put on an oil or something. But this lipstick, I don't know. It's beautiful on the lips. It like makes everything look great. And ColourPop, not even expensive. Love it. Okay guys, with that being said, this makeup look is complete. I really hope you enjoyed watching, and if you did, please give this video a thumbs up, and if you're not already subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button down below, and I will see you next Tuesday. I'm glowing. Okay. Who is calling me? Did someone call me?
Are you alive?
Yes, I'm alive.
Okay.
Wow, this is the first time I overline my lips. And I need to do it always because, whoa, lips looking